Hi, I'm Zahida Ijaz and you're watching my channel Gazettes. Let's learn mathematics in our online school. Today's topic is addition. We are going to talk about basics of addition, 1 and 2 digit numbers with and without carry for grade 1 and 2. This is the symbol of addition. It means to count together. Let's suppose we have 5 green balls and 3 purple balls. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So in total we have 8 balls. Addition on a number line. Let's take the number 5 plus 4. From count on method, we know that 5 plus 4 is 9. Let's check it on number line. Take the first number on the number line 5 and then add the second number 4 more, one at a time. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The answer is 9.